Maybe they turn around. But yeah, so these skis, well, a little low, but it'll work still. Oh, this is what you got to do. Yeah, that one's not good. Same one. Oh, it looks like there might have been somebody in here already. Try to find the best way through here. Maybe they turn around. But yeah, so these skis. Oh, is there a way to ski that? Maybe not. This is definitely sun affected here. Alright, well, these conditions are changed a little bit. There's definitely the sun is in here. Okay, well, I'm on my left hook here, and let's go. Whew. Oh, wow. Just gonna go easy, because it's full of trees. Woo. Wow. Woo. Woo, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so nice to be first. Now that's a cliff, so don't go that way. Woo. Oh, that's a big rock. No. Oh, a little low, but it'll work still. Oh, this is what you got to do. That was a little low, but it's all good. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, look at this, people. Woo! Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Woo. Wow. That was pretty sick. Short and sick. So oh, I tried to avoid that tree and it cost me. It's hard to ski with one hand too, I gotta say. It's really hard. Alright, here we go. Oh, I didn't do what I wanted, but That was a bit of a epic run fail, but still good. Left hook here, and let's go. Whew. Oh wow. Just gonna go easy because it's full of trees. Woo. Wow. Woo. Woo, yeah. Oh. Let's see, what route am I gonna take today? That one was a little low, so, and this one's got a rock in it, and then a stick you have to get out of the way.
High up?
Yeah, see this line right here? Is this the one with the broken stick, or is this the one that's very high up? This might be the one that's very high up.
Inviting entrance.
Oh, this is the super high entrance.
Oh, is it?
The high is up there. This is this one's pretty sketch. You'll see. Oh, it's better than when I did it before, though. All right. Yo! Woo! Yeah. All right. Back on left hook. Woo! 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 Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh, so good! Oh, this is a good one. Oh, a little low, but it works still. Oh, this is what you gotta do. That was a little low, but it's all good. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, look at this, people. Woo! Oh, wow. Woo! Oh my goodness. Woo! Wow. That was pretty sick. Short and sick. Oh. Yeah, that one's not good. Same one. Woo! Oh. Ew. Yeah, Jen.
Around the tree. Woo!
Alright.
Oh man.
So we've kind of skied that part out on the left, but just don't forget, don't remember the cliff down there, right? Or remember.
Well, we're following this, so.
Yeah, but there's a cliff at the bottom, right? The waterfall. So when the tracks go left, make sure you go left. Okay. Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, that was epic! Yeah. Yeah, Jen. See why I come here all the time? Dude, how good was that? Was nice to see you straight shoot that.
Yeah.
Take some guts, eh?
Yeah.
How good was that?
That was fun, yeah.